The challenge began by waiting for the ideal weather conditions that would allow us to successfully place the intake towers in their design levels under the seabed. The project also features an HDPE outfall pipeline to transmit saline water back to open sea, with a discharge capacity of 131,000 square meters per day. The project is located approximately on 4,800 square meters and is the only one of its kind in the Delta, featuring the world's latest desalination technology using reverse osmosis and modern energy technology. The nature of the project and its location have posed many challenges, but Hassan Allam Construction has managed to overcome all these obstacles. The plant was built in line with the highest levels of safety and functionality in accordance with international standards and with a full commitment to preserving the environment.